hit the jackpot in this like really generous man at a yard sale a few towns over, and he gave me so many like startup supplies at like just giveaway prices, because I was telling him what my dreams were for this property, and so I was so excited, and I made trip after trip after trip after trip after trip, and then it just ends up always being such chaos. This stuff has sat here. This stuff has sat here for months, getting rusted, getting like just destroyed through winter. Because that's what it is. Always chaos, never organization, never a plan. So we're making one. The dust is gonna settle. The fog's gonna lift little by little. We're just gonna fix it all. With someone who is wildly toxic and dysregulated, everything in your world becomes dysregulated. Everything. I wanted to have eggs for the garden, for my roses. They just somehow get put over here and forgotten about. Like, there's no homesteading rhyme or reason. There's not methodology. I got my son this little tackle box. I wanted to get him like little fishing rods and stuff for the pond, and it's just not possible. So we're gonna dream new dreams. Great, baby. My next trick, I'm going to put this in the truck without jacking my back again. It's happening. Or my foot. Or my shin.
You okay?
Always. Always okay. But we are working towards great. Not just okay. We're working towards great. I super appreciate your help, my man. All right, let's do this thing. Oh, that's action. There's action. Don't you worry about that. There's action. All of this stuff has just sat here to rot. I mean, it's just heartbreaking. All right, buddy, I'm gonna throw this stuff here. Can you throw it in the trunk?
Yeah.
Truck? I really appreciate your help, boys. Isaiah, bro. What'd you say, baby?
Get rid of that cart.
It doesn't work. What's Florence say? I would look at this and feel like so overwhelmed, but I know Florence will tell me to leave all my love and my longing behind. You can't carry it with you if you want to survive. That is a fact. What do you want these? Oh, they can just go in the... Well, no. Just throw them in with the other stuff. I thought they would be cute on the barn as like googly eyes or something.
Oh my god, that is too heavy.
Don't do that. We're not doing, I already jacked my back, and we're not doing hernias, right? Was it last weekend when I told you I didn't have time for tears, stitches, broken bones, no cuts, no butts, no coconuts? Here I am, all like, because I jacked my back.
Where am I putting this, about this
I'll
big
take care of
pipe?
it. I'll take care of it.
Where am
What's
I
in it?
putting this? More pipes.
More pipes! Alright, keep working on this stuff, guys. That can go in the truck. I'll do it. Here's my $80 drying rack that I got before winter because I thought for sure we'd be freeze drying all winter. Yeah. Foolish girl. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I'll be able to fit anything else in my cornflake barrel truck. Look how nice that looks.
Oh man. Incredible.
Taking out the trash. See, that's called the hopper. It's cool. You just don't want to fall in.
No.
You definitely don't want to fall in.
Run.
Good eyes, buddy. Now, normally when you find a turtle, he was pointed the other way.
Yeah.
So normally when you find a turtle and they want to cross the road, you just let them go what they're doing. You let them go. If you want to help them, if you see them in the road, you want to help them across the way they're pointed. Mm-hmm.
Well, it was pointing that way.
I know. Would you like to help him across? I think the truck scared him.
Yeah.
So if you would like to turn him around and put him over there, I think he'd appreciate that. Ooh. Oh. Oh my. Oh, there you go. That's better than peeing on the hot road. That's better than peeing on the hot road. Can I say hello to you? Oh. You look very grumpy. It's a Labraturtle.
It's a leopard turtle.
All right. You're very brave.
Well, good day, sir.
All right. Nice job, buddy. Bad bitches love to get its big 30. I got you guys a present.
They're attacking my shoes.
They're trying to cannibalize brother.
I caught you red-handed.
Look, watch out, they spit. Not making that mistake again. Watch out, birds. Watch out, bird. All right, I gotta get these down. And then, Ghost, you can get your surprise.
Yay! So exciting!
I knew you were so excited. All right. Got these for new beds. We got new beds. I got this for you, Bobo. I got this for you, Bobo. Yes, I did. Look. You want to check it out? That's you. I know, you're all curious. Look at the little guinea pig. Look, Bobo. That's for you. It's your new bed. Not you. Not you, Nosy. Not you. Not you, Nosy. It's not for you, Nosy. No, it's not for you, Nosy. It's for that Nosy. It's for that Nosy. You think he's gonna like it? Hi, little guinea pig. Oh, we already have a pew pew. Are you Zoom Zoom? Are they Zoom Zoom? Yeah. Are you being nice because you're hungry? Everybody's hungry right now. I know. Everybody's hungry. This is an Issa Brown. You want to go check it out? All right, hang on. Let me get everybody going here. Pew, pew. Okay. Oh my God! Look at the amount of animals that we have. The sheer amount. Look, look, look! I have a customer. Look, Bobo's in his new bed. Ah! And these ones are for you, ladies. And I have other ones that are coming because I'm going to make you a truck so you stay out of mine. That is what is happening. So here's a little goat stickle course. Here it is. For when you're sleeping. That's right. There you go. I'm going for you.